In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.2, and let me show you how to change phone dialer sounds on the following device. Actually, how to mute it or activate it. So at first just open your phone dialer, and once you click on keypad, now you can hear the sound. So let me switch it off, and if you want to deactivate it, you need to enter the settings, and then find and pick sound. Here, go a bit lower and tap on advance. Scroll down again, and here you will notice dial pad tones. So if you want to switch it off, click on the switcher, and from now on it is not active, it is muted. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.